In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover files that you've lost or deleted from your PC. Maybe accidentally, or you deleted it and you discovered that you still need it, even though it's not in the recycle bin. So as you can see here, there's nothing in the recycle bin. This is empty. And I want to show you something on my desktop. So you can see the files on my desktop here. Just a folder, a document, and a shortcut. So the rest I'm not showing you for some reason. Why? Okay, so here's how you do it. So you open Windows Explorer. Go to this PC. Now at the root of the drive here, you right click it and go to Properties. So here is Properties. From Properties you go to Previous Versions. So you can see earlier this week we have a copy or a snapshot of the C drive. We are going to look into it. I'm going to go to where the desktop is. I'm going to use the name of this user is prototype, and then I'm going to desktop. Okay, so now you can see I'm going to compare it with what I have before. So this is my current desktop, and this is the one from previous version. So you can see there is this one here and this that is not here. So if I want to recover this, I'll just come here and move. I copy to desktop, and I also copy this one too. I'll copy it to desktop. So that's it. I've recovered the files. I can close this one up. And it's as simple as that. But for some of you, you're not going to find that option. And the reason why it's not going to be there, if you check previous versions and you do not see any previous version, it means System Restore is not enabled on your PC. I'm going to show you how to enable System Restore. So you press Windows key and R and type System Properties Protection. And click OK. So you can see from my own PC, from my own computer, System Restore is enabled and working. So if yours is not enabled, come here to configure and turn on System Protection. You can reduce it to 5% so it doesn't take up much of the space. But if you increase this, it means you're going to have more files that you can recover from a long time ago. So that's it. Thank you for watching.